Okay, this is the Benu New Year pin for 2021. It's a limited edition Euphoria. Benu is a Russian company. Comes in a white box and easily recognizable with the Benu logo on top and then the script writing in gray on white. Inside you have your pin in this Benu sleeve with the gold Benu name here on the side. In the box you do get a 1 ink cartridge comes with your pin, and you'll also find some helpful product information along with warranty info here. So keep that and your ink cartridge, and let's open the sleeve to get a look at the pin. So the edges just pop open on the end here and you can slide your pin out. And your Benu is in the Euphoria style, as we mentioned. It has a white with silver resin with this brilliant red right in the middle on the end of the cap. It breaks it up, it's got silver trim. And if you know Benu, they always have something sparkly going on. So this is also going to have the silver in it, sparkles, if you can see that in the video. The pin is made of resin. Both cap and barrel are resin material. You do have in the middle of the red material there on the end of the cap, your limited edition number will be noted right there in silver on the red. This is number 68 of 500. It comes with a number 6 nib in stainless steel. It's a screw-on cap. And here's your nib, the stainless steel number 6 nib. It's a cartridge converter pin, and it takes a standard international cartridge. Your cap is postable, so if you like to write with your cap posted, it is a friction post, but it stays on pretty firmly. And when you're ready to use your pen, you just unscrew the barrel. And it comes already with the ink converter already installed for you. So you would just go ahead and use your fountain pen ink of choice, the bottled fountain pen ink you want to use, and fill your ink converter with ink, and it would be ready to go. Or you can remove your ink converter and install the ink cartridge provided with the pen. So again, this is the limited edition Benu Euphoria New Year 2021 pin. And if you want more information on that, or if you want to get one of your own, find it at pinchlet.com.